Hello crafters, welcome to Elf Creations and today's video. In today's video we are going to be making a very simple card, Christmas card. I'm going to be using these holly leaves which are available from my store, G's Embellishment Emporium. I'm probably going to use either 2 or 3 of them, I haven't decided yet. I'm not going to need the wire. I would keep the wire, but it's entirely your choice because I think this wire would come in handy elsewhere. So I'm going to use that. I'm probably going to be using the Merry Christmas from MM Made It stamp set, and this is Celebrate the Season. And I'm going to be using a couple of red buttons. Now these red buttons with the stitch lines around them, they are available from my store. So I'm probably going to use, not too sure which ones I'm going to use, but if you've got any red buttons that are kind of from your stash, these ones here are from my store also. So I'm just going to take out a few red buttons. Now this is a really simple card. If you've got if you don't have much time and you need something in a rush, then this is the card for you. I'm just going to grab my glue dots. I am simply going to put a glue dot on the back of one of these holly leaves. And in fact I think I'll have one further up as well. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other holly leaf and have that coming down. And you could hot glue these, you could use your art glitter glue, but I'm just using glue dots for speed. Because these particular glue dots are really good, really strong. Alright, so I'm going to use the decided on using the ones that are available from my store, and then I am going to emboss the Merry Christmas from this stamp set from MMMadeIt.com. My stamping block, get my Top Boss colourless embosser, and I'm going to put that here at the edge, not the edge, at the corner, the bottom, as you're looking at it, the bottom right hand corner. Right. Get myself a piece of paper. I think I'm going to use this classic gold, this Nouveau embossing powder. This is also a purchase from MMMadeIt.com. So I am going to pour that on and dust it off. Pour the excess back into the bottle, and then using my heat gun, I'm going to set the embossing powder. As you can see from the profile, it's not overly bulky, so it still fit into a standard size envelope, and this card is a 6x6 envelope. You could, if you wanted to, and if I can find my gold pen, which I don't think I can. Oh yes I can, there it is. You could, if you wanted to, you could put some stitch lines around the edge. There we go, a really simple and quick to mass produce Christmas card using the leaves and the buttons from my store, and the Nouveau embossing powder and the stamp set from MMMadeIt.com. So that's G's Embellishment Emporium.com and MMMadeIt.com. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I will see you very soon with another Christmas craft. Take care now, bye bye.